was really good on your camera, but then you get him home on the big screen. It's like,
and you're like, oh, finger. So, are you wanting to take the hard way? Is that your plan?
What's the hard way?
Right up the middle.
Then yes.
If I take the hard way, it's going to take the easy way.
Yep.
Camera's on, so am I too close to you to read?
Oh, so we got that documented that takes the hard way, it's taking the easy way.
No, I'm good.
takes the hard way, took the easy way a couple times. I tried coming up that one and I liked it too much, so I backed up.
Something tells me I'm glad I put that metal core connection on.
Don't want a spot, did you say?
Almost had it. There you go. Front locker made all the difference.
Nice job. Way to go. You got an inch less than Lucas there.
Yeah, 37s.
Yeah, but your 35s are only 1 inch less height.
I have 1 inch and a half less of lip height.
It's still wherever the center of your tire is to the ground, no matter how much you lift.
Frame though.
Yeah, I guess that's
Not the frame. So I'll probably get hung up on that rock, but let's see what happens.
You're wanting to do the middle too?
Well, I want to stay a little bit right
Okay.
and try to not kill my diff on that big rock up there.
Yeah, it'd be nice to keep your pumpkin attached.
Yeah. I don't have anything on the front. I have it on the rear, so I'm not worried about the rear.
Did you bring a spare pumpkin in the back?
Nope.
I don't know what line he's taking.
That was a thing of beauty.
You could do it too if you had 37s.
Someday you're going to humiliate me into action.
Maybe. So does Justin want eyes at all, or is he just going to go for it?
He didn't say. He said he's going to go slightly right of where you went.
Slightly that way?
You want it to button or not? He's got what he wants.
Okay.
We'll punch if we see issues. I like the way they get the on their camera.
Keep it straight, Justin. Yep. Good. Good. Yep. You got a little white paint there. Just a little. And now it's your turn.
I like the line Justin took. Can we do that one?
You can go for it.
Chris can put you right on that.
I wasn't paying attention. What was he doing?
He just left of this guy.
So he put his passenger tire.
Driver just off of this guy.
So
He
drive.
drove over the log right here.
Yep. Okay. So driver's right
And then
here,
just-
and then driver went up here.
Just straight away. Well, no, he went like right at his camera and then put his driver right on that boulder in front of you.
Oh, he put driver right here.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. Yep. He did.
And that just,
Yep.
good line, Justin.
I looked at it, I'm like, that's gotta work.
Yeah, that was smooth.
I like mine better.
Yours was pretty awesome.
Yours was more of a challenge than we could handle in ours, I think.
I wish I would have made it up the first time though. All right. So you want your driver on the rock or just on the tree? Probably on.
I
tree.
drove over the rock.
No, you didn't.
I didn't?
Not that one.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. Then just
Just off the edge of the rock.
off the edge of it.
you have lockers?
You were locked, weren't you?
Just rear. It didn't really feel like it needed
I did.
it. I'm sure it needed it, but it didn't feel like it.
Good. Yep. Good.
Since I know what line she takes.
Good. Right there. Straighten towards me. Little driver. Perfect. Keep it right there. Keep your wheel. Okay, this way. Straight. You got it. Right there. You're up. Passenger if you can.
Did we hang on a second? Let's make sure we didn't rip anything off there.
Nope. I think it just launched.
Here's the shock mount.
I know I've hit them a couple times already.
You dissected the rock. We'll put that back.
Yeah, I wonder why her ass end didn't follow line.
It slid. I think when she
must
put
have
her
pushed up
tire
against
on
that
that,
one.
and I think it just slid over a little bit.
Jeff, you want eyes at all, or are you just gonna wing it?
Huh?
Wasn't my
I'm
prettiest
going to take
drive,
that
but
rock
that's
Karen
okay.
was going to do on the left.
Wait it up.
Okay.
Oh, is he skipping it?
Oh, he's going far right.
Oh, far right?
Left.
Far left. Okay.
Sorry, my right. Far driver. There you go.
Yep.
I saw his line and I'm thinking that's
You did pretty good up until the end. Your ass end.
I think it was when you put your tire right here. I think it slid you over
Oh, okay.
because all of a sudden you fell off that rock and there was no like you were lined up perfect.
Yeah.
So
Ooh, that's cold.
yeah, what are we at? Like 7,000 here?
Started
6,000?
out at like 55, so.
Yeah. Huh?
I didn't get my gift though, did I?
No. I didn't see you touch the diff at all. I was standing right there.
I had a preference down, so I think you go that way. Keep the wheel just like that. Yep, good. Good. Yep, perfect. Straighten out.
Get a hole there.
Straight line from here. Well, okay, sideways line from here.
Try front locker.
Back up a little bit. He's resting on the rock.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, and that passenger tire's
All right.
sitting on it.
So, try to go a little passenger if you can. We'll try to lift you up.
Yeah, as soon as it grips, it's golden.
Yep.
Boom! There you go. Oh.
Sideways.
We're still good here. It's hung up on this rock. There you go. Work it, driver.
All right. Try going back a little bit.
We're between a rock and a hard spot there.
He's on the rock in the front here and the rock in the back here.
Yep.
All right. So go back about 4 feet.
You're gonna go over a big rock on your passenger side.
All right. Stop there. Want to try to go this way? So you're just hitting your belly pan. You're just hitting the belly pan in the middle. Well, I mean, if you can go driver, go for it.
Big hole you're gonna hit. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
That was a matter of inch.
Yep. Nice.